Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the Elgato Stream Deck. This is the box. Okay. I wish I had the tripod right now. So you get a start guide, which basically says, download the software, plug it in, don't use it, plug it in, not through a hub. Program, open the app to program it. Learn how to make icons. Folders. Exiting folders. Right-click menu. Stand. Using social media accounts, and then Elgato's social media networks. So pretty basic stuff, and then you have, what is this? Important safety instructions. Who reads those? And who reads quick start guides? Okay. So here's the actual device. It's made of aluminum. This is the little cap that came on the USB cord. It's right here, because as you can see, it's actually powered on right now. So if I exit the software, if I fully exit the software, so this is what happens if you plug it in without the software running. You just get the Elgato Stream Deck logo shown on it. So if I run the software again, the keys come back on and they mimic the layout on the screen. So that's the software that you use to program it. So currently I have, it's a category-based system. So I have stream. So in order for this to work, I have to push the utilities button, apps, then I press slops to start Streamlabs OBS. And go back and push the stream button. So start, you can record or go live. So if I push record, now it says stop and it is recording. If I push the button that now says stop, it stops recording. And if I hit back, it goes back. Scenes just changes. So you've got start, end, be right back, and in game. So if I push start, end, be right back, end, just start, end, be right back, and in game, that's the scene it will choose. YouTube MSG or message is pre-made messages for YouTube live chat. This button is for turning on and off your audio sources. Even though my headset already has a mic mute button on it. Cameras allows you to turn on or off cameras, which are basically just sources as far as slumps goes. So if I say laptop camera and Logitech camera, so now the utilities, and then so we've gone over all the things in the stream folder. So I push the utilities button, I get apps, websites, jokes, media, and games. So apps is just apps on the computer. Now I already showed you going into this folder to start slobs, so I'll go and close that. So I can start Chrome. OneNote. And I actually had to do a bit of a workaround for OneNote, as it's a Metro app in Windows 10. Huh? Is it the Metro app in Windows 10? So when I push, the start menu flashes up briefly, and then OneNote starts. And there's Minecraft, which for some reason starts on the left. Yeah, it just starts the Minecraft launcher. Then App Switch. So this is your Alt tab. So if I hold, push the switch. That's holding Alt and pressing Tab. So you can switch between Stream Deck software, Chrome, and stickies. Websites. So if I close Chrome now, and I'll minimize the Stream Deck software. If I push Santa Tracker, brings up the Google Santa Tracker. Roblox. YouTube. Twitter. Seriously? I always use this app. And I'm signed out of Twitter. Reddit. And I'm signed out of Reddit. Close Chrome. Jokes. This one is from The Simpsons. It's Homer Simpson's any key, and pushing the button will actually load the clip that came from. The Homer's working from home clip. Media is media controls. So for some reason I have redundant folders. See, this says fill screen for YouTube. If I go to general media controls and then service specific functions up here, push YouTube, you get these. So you got play, pause, back, forward, stop, and volumes, and the volumes actually do work. And then you've got mute, back. You've got games, Roblox. You got games, and then you got Roblox. This is, I just kind of hacked this together for game controls. You can actually, this is off the stand right now. I'll show you the stand after we look at this on the table. Messages. You got up, down, left, right, sprint, jump. Sorry, I had to put the phone down. Message. You've got core games, and then melt, which would put a pre-made message in the in-game chat. So that's it for the actual interface that I've programmed into this device. So I'm using it both for its intended purpose, which is managing a live streaming, which is managing your live stream, and I made another purpose, which is to control the computer as a whole. So this is the little plastic stand that comes with it, as that little logo on the back. So it's just a plastic stand. So you lift and push that out. I have two sets of tabs. So this large tab here is for having it at a comfortable resting position. So if I put this on the stand, like so, I don't mind the cables. you've got a comfortable position to tap the buttons. And you've also got the two small, as it thuds into the desk, I've got these two small tabs. You push them out, and those allow you to have it at a lower angle, but not as low as if it was sitting, if the device was just sitting directly on your desk. I personally like this position. It uses the large tab. So I'll leave it in its position. So that was the Stream Deck. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.